We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to anyone who watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig, Vinco Ventures Inc. Continues to pull down lower, but it wasn't the only stock falling. The overall market was falling, even the SPY as well. And our SPY bot this morning sent us out a bear indicator since 9:45 a.m. And from that moment forward, put options were up 3 to 4x within the day, guys. And this is our new release that you can now gain access to as well to receive the edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities whether stocks are going up or going down. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, as well as getting connected to the SPY bot, guys, to have that edge within the volatility and maximize in either direction. So Bbig continues to fall, broke through a support that is key, but based off 42 vision, I have some exciting stuff to share with you guys in today's video. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. It cannot be overlooked. It was phenomenal and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave 5 to 10%, 10 to 20% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was IMPP. We caught this one in the pre-market, consolidating, going into strength on 42 vision, jumped up 20% plus in the first 10 minutes, pulled back, got that bull indicator, full strength again, jumped up 50% plus, and within the volatility, it hit a highest point of 90% plus, guys. Now, this is not a home run that we caught just today. We have been seeing this one since last week, and every single day, it has given us home run opportunities of 20% plus. This is very rare, doesn't happen all the time, but since we mentioned it till today, it's hit a highest point of 400% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, early on within the week, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. And as I stated earlier in the video, I have some information to share with you guys based off 42 vision that's pretty exciting, but doesn't guarantee anything. It is something to be aware of though, based off of how the chart is currently looking, right? Because it broke through a key support, but right now on 42 vision, right, it's at extreme weakness, and every single time there's a point of reversal or consolidation. So I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 vision, the bull and bear indicators, and this is something you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So Bbig, Vinco Ventures Inc. has been under a bear indicator since way up here at 245. We're at 222. And since way back here on March 3rd, things have been falling, guys, right? On the 30-minute. Now, let me share with you guys why this is pretty exciting that currently it's under a bear indicator and hitting white with red borders based off the 30-minute. We're going to look at the 4-hour and we're going to look at the 1-day as well. But the reason why it's exciting, just based off the last 3 times you could see it, that every single time it hits white with red borders, there tends to be a reversal. Some are stronger than others, some are weaker than others, and some barely move, right? And if we go back to the history of the chart, every single time, once that's hit white with red borders, there's a reversal. And there you have it here on the 30-minute from 256 all the way to 375. And then you have it here as well from $3 all the way up to 332, 10%. And then here you have small jumps every single time happening. And one of the largest ones we recently went through was 224 all the way up to 284. And then right here from 234 to 269, right? 270, give or take. And here we are. So this is very pivotal where the chart sits, but it's also more pivotal to see what's going on in the bigger picture, to go ahead and analyze the possibilities, right? And we're going to talk about support levels in this video that are key because we broke through a very important support level at 224. We're not that far from it, but if we pull further away from it, things are getting much more bearish, and you could see it that we're under a bear indicator on the 30-minute, right? So another thing too is volume, right? The average volume daily, you want to be aware of that. Let's pull up the 4-hour here so you could see it. And on the 4-hour, we are under a bear indicator, right? Since way up here at 335, pulled down, pulled up, back and forth. I started stating that this was not looking that strong, especially when it went up, came back down, came back up and slightly down. It started to look like it was a consolidation zone. There was no real strength here. Too many rejections, especially as it got closer to $3. Rejecting, and here we are, right? Been talking about this for the last several days and weeks. Now, we are under white with red borders on the 4-hour. That is significant as well because that is the point where we can see if there's back-to-back, several one of these, there tends to be a point of consolidation or reversal, right? But we want a reversal with strength, full shifts, and a bull indicator to pop up. That's the key thing I'm looking for here within these charts. So just based off the last 2 times that we hit white with red borders, we had 4 of them back to back. We had 4 of them back to back. And right now, we're on the 4th one. Does that guarantee that we're going to turn back around? No. But that is something to be aware of and watch. But we're still under that bear indicator based off the bigger picture. And that is important to keep in mind. Now, let's go back and zoom in even further because we were looking at it first on the 1-hour. Let's go ahead and look at it here on the 30-minute. And you could see here, we're at white with red borders, slightly below those support levels. And you can see that every single time we hit white with red borders, right? And we reverse. And we get a bull indicator, full strength. Same thing here as well, right? 2 of them back to back, white with red borders, bull indicator, full strength, bull indicator, white with red borders, full strength, right? So that is something that lets us know, are we at extreme weakness or strength? This is how with 42 vision, we are able to see the dips, right? White with red borders in this area, and the rips when it's green, and then the extra layer of confirmation of a bull indicator or a bear indicator in either direction. So the key level of support right now is the low of the day, which was right here at 220. I've talked about this before. If there's some strength there, we don't even have to talk about $2. But if it gets broken through, we have $2. And then the 52-week low of 195. And below 195, we have to go ahead and zoom out and go back in time all the way back towards August 2021. And even further to go ahead and see the next support levels based off that support level being broken through. But right now, we are nowhere near $2. We're near the 220s. We want to see this hold 220. If it breaks 220, $2 is the next support. But to the upside, we want to see this break through 230 and get back up above 240 and consolidate and then continue the staircase effect, right? And that strength to the upside. And we want to see those reversals, not just on the 30-minute, the 1-hour, the 4-hour, the 1-day, and those bull indicators popping up, signifying strength, guys. That's what I'm going to be looking for moving forward. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.